All right, ladies and gents, we are back. And when I say we, I'm with the tallest. I'm with the tallest Filipino in the parking lot. My mother-in-law, Mama Dola. All right. What'd you say?
Did you miss us? Miss me?
Yeah, they did miss you. They're leaving comments about you. All right, folks. It is Monday, Dollar Day, for the color of gray, which I seriously thought gray was all last week, or maybe it changes. I'm not sure. I haven't been thrifting as much, but let's go inside here. Oh, this is a crappy. This is not good. Somebody left a comment saying the louder, the more luckier. The loud is one thing, and then being that wobbly is another. Let's go inside here. Look, we missed the crowd. The crowd came in the morning. Let's go try to find some glass. Yeah, gray. Let's go try to find some amazing stuffs. Ooh, looks like they took all the shelves. There's hardly anybody in here. Look at this. I love this. But you know, I'll tell you right now, Carla and I have always had a thing to where when we go places, people go right after. So the crowd's gonna come. Just watch. Just watch. Oh, what's inside there? Oh, look at these pretty things. Wow. Those are really pretty. But what's the price of these? What's the price of these? I don't want to assume I know what they are because I don't. It is not what I thought they were. What I was hoping they were, $14. All right, that's one of them. This one is a really pretty one. I like the poodle on here. I like that this isn't broken. Very beautiful ladies up here. Nope, not it, not signed. Also $14. And I am going to assume that one right there also isn't signed. Little lucky money cat right there. Bring some luck, bring some luck, bring some luck. I just gave it baby shaking syndrome. Oh, here, Byron modes. No, thank you, Byron modes. They don't sell for very much. I learned that the hard way. Ooh, this is cool. Folk style, $4.99. Look at those arms on this sucker. Look at those arms. Look at those guns right there. Oh, look at this. A Millefiori candle. This is the most non-valuablest thing I've come across. But I was just thinking of Millefiori earlier because Knickknacks has so much amazing resellers selling paperweights that I did okay. Oh my God, look at that centerpiece right there. Look at that. That might be like a modern Murano. That would be like freaking $60 a ship minimum. $5.99. Look at this thing though. Look at that one. That's a big one. Ooh, look at this glass. Ooh, 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 look at everything. Hope I'm not making y'all dizzy, but look at this sun catcher. $7.99. Look at that piece of marble. Oh my goodness. Here's this one. Look at that. That's a big one. But this one right here. Whoa. Let's look at the bottom. I think that's a modern Murano piece that you could get like at TJ Maxx. Oh man. What's up, Moosies? Little bottle holders. Well, they're not little at all. Look at these kitty cats. Any of y'all own cats? Let me know what your cats' names are. These are some cute kitties. Oh, eagle. Nice wingspan. This reminds me of Fingerhut and Avon back in the day growing up. Seeing all my relatives having the same things in their houses. And now everybody wants them again. Nice decanter right here. Ooh, it even has a label. What's the label on this? Marquise? Marquise. I usually pass on Marquise. And that's pretty big. That's a nice crystal decanter though. Oh, does that glow? $9.99. I've done pretty good on these. And this is a pretty good size. Look at this. That's a pretty good size. I'm gonna say that's probably like American Brilliance or something. And today I remembered to bring it and I can't tell. I don't think it glows, but that one is vintage. Yeah, I don't think there's a glowy. It's not a glowy. It's not a showy. It's just a looker. Ooh, ooh, is this cloisonne or fakeness? I don't think this is cloisonne, or is it? $3.99, that's pretty. Some of these are more modern pieces. I'm gonna probably have to call a friend on helping me with that one, as in Google Lens. He's the only one that I don't have to pay to help me. Oh, look at this. Can we find a signature on this? Can it be like baccarat or something? Let me put this down and look around. So, holding this in my hand, I'm starting to wonder if this would be considered a paperweight. This is a beautiful piece. $6 though. I'm probably gonna use Google Lens on this as well. All right, this is from Mikasa, and there are very few items I've sold from Mikasa, but a very cool piece. Nice, I would say paperweight or a type of coaster. Now to look this one up. All right, again, I don't know everything, but this right here sells for around 25 bucks on average, and it is claiming to be gold foil, and there is some enamel in there, but not the type of cloisonne I've come across before. So for $4, it's actually worth getting. It hits the mark for me and sells well on all platforms, selling platforms. So we got one for the cart. We got one. All right, this cart has been here since I got in here. And one thing I just noticed, look at the MGM denim jacket. Those giveaway jackets when those casinos close are usually going up in value pretty quick. There's 2 casinos that closed recently. I have not been able to find any of their items, but I know my friend Carrie the Desert Mermaid always looks for that and has been looking for that and got me into them. So I'm always looking for some cool ones, especially the satin ones. Those usually do very well. Not very much in that first set of racks. Let's try some other ones. We have another abandoned cart, or maybe it might be the employees just staging that stuff, leaving it in a cart because they got called for something else. All right. Oh, that's a unique bird feeder. It's a modern one because of the solar panel. Nice little crystal balls on here. $3.99. Very rusty. Ooh, I wonder if that glows. Not that it matters. You know what? I'm not gonna check because that's just one little piece. Let's go find something worth getting. All right, I see something over here. I actually have some of these. Oh, let me zoom out. I actually have a couple of these, not in this color though. This is by Josefina Kronos, made out in Poland. And it has a sticker out in Poland here. This is $5.99. I got several of these a while back. Oh, there's a chip right here. I got several of these a while back at the flea market, and I made my profits, but what I found is that they are hit or miss in price. Oh, Carlos texted me that she's at work, so I am gonna reply back to her and get back to y'all. Josefina Kronos is a hit or miss on some things. There are different types of color patterns on them, and if you look up Josefina Kronos jellyfish, vase, bowl, use those different keywords and you see what I'm talking about. Some sell for really good prices, especially like the Margie's Garden type of vases that have like these big windows in them. You see what I'm talking about. Those do well, but they're actually very heavy. Whenever you come across little baggies, I'm telling you to take your time and look at them, especially when you have time to just learn and reselling, collecting, combination of both. When you have time and you don't have crowds like this here, it's good to look at this stuff and take your sweet time. Ooh, look at that walrus. That's a cool little walrus. Nice little knickknacks in this one. Made in China, made in China. Another little seal. This one is Kona Paradise Candies Corp. There's a phone number on there, so I'm gonna say this is probably Y2K or modern, but these are cute. There are 2 of them. What do they want for this? Some nice little knickknacks. Oh, there's no price. That's free, right? Ain't nothing free in life, folks. Nothing free. Oh, what do we got over here? Nice, pretty colorful bow. Bowl? I made it sound like it was B-O-W. Bowl, like a cereal bowl. I feel like I'm not saying that right. That's a nice teapot. I have not done well with teapot either, folks, but just because I don't do well with them doesn't mean I'm still not looking them up unless I'm just super confident. Ow, ow, ow. My hands are cramping. I need to drink water. Look at this nice red. What does this say on the bottom? Not for food. Okay, not for me either. Let's put this over here. Nice bow down here. This is pretty. Nice color. Do y'all know this pattern on here? I don't think these do very well. It's also a large size for $3.99. That's a good thing for a collector. Somebody that wants to match that with their home theme. But I want something big. Let's find something big. Something expensive. Not this big. Not this big right here, but that is pretty. Oh, is she talking on the phone? Look at her, she's employees talking on the phone. She is smiling. She must be talking to the love of her life. You go, girl. Ooh, look at this. This is nice. $3.99. Clear glass. Let's see if we can find a signature. Let there be a signature. Sometimes they put the stickers on the signature. Not intentionally, not on purpose. Sometimes they're just on the road. They got quotas and goals to reach, and they're like, get it out of here. You know what I haven't found in a while? I haven't found swizzle sticks in a while. I ended up finding some here a while back, and I got it for $5 and I sold it for $50. But if I was to part it out, I would have probably made around 100 plus easily. But I was just trying to make a fast sale in the auction, and I did. Get it in, move it out. All right, going through the rack over here. Got a Grateful Dead. Looks like a pumpkin patch. Oversized tee, American Eagle brand. $4. These kind of sell for around $15 to $20. It is in really good condition. This is a women's shirt, but it could be unisex because it's oversized, like a relaxed fit. I'm gonna think about this one. I'm not really selling apparel like that anymore. I've been looking at some of these prices and they are not worth getting. What is this? No brand on this one, but nice tie-dye color. All right, looking into more apparel. Trippy red, nice color. It is hot as hell, but folks, if I just seen something, if they didn't have one thing, I would have got this. These go for around $25, $30, and it's gonna be about a month till it sells. But I just seen something right on this side, that blemish, that little thing right there. And then there is some staining right here. Usually sweat is hard. You might dim it, but it's good to be picky on this stuff. Let's go see if there's anything over here. Something good. So far, one item and a maybe. Other than two things, nothing. Let's go catch up to my mother-in-law and see what she found. Those people out in the Philippines telling her while she was visiting, send some stuff, and I got some stuff for them. Some more donations coming their way, some cool stuff. What'd you find, Mom? Find some stuff?
Not too much have the gray one.
Yeah,
I know. I think this morning all the
yeah, everybody came in this morning.
But
We're late to the party. Yeah, that's your style. I got a shirt for you. I have it at the house. I need to find it. Carla said it's not gonna fit you, but I think it will. Some nice little daisies.
Yeah, this one is so expensive in the. This one is in JCPenney. This is $19.99 in JCPenney.
$19.99 in JCPenney's.
Yeah.
And you're getting it for
$5.99.
She's getting it for $5.99. Nice little tops. She does like her flowers.
This one had $1. This one.
Oh, you got a gray tag?
They have.
Oh yeah, look at that, scored.
Yeah.
Magic trick. Gray tag, $1 day. Two of them. Nice. All right. You still looking? You could look. Already?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. I am putting back one of these shirts this one here, I'm not feeling it, folks. I know it's selling for $15 to $20, but I want hard goods. I want glass. And the things I don't get means I get to save for something later that I'm happy with. And that's what matters more to me than when I first started reselling. It was like, oh, I gotta find something. Now it's like, no, I don't. I gotta be happy with what I have. What is this? Ooh. All right. This sleeve is what caught my attention. Looks like a vintage sleeve. The Long USA. It may be something, may not be anything. Indiana Hoosiers. I thought I was gonna say Indian. It's college team. The Long. How much they want for that? $15? Nah, I don't want to do apparel. Or not as much. Ladies and gents, I ran into a Can you wave like that again? All right, this is probably my first ever video of me not getting anything. So seeing that these sell for like $20, $15, $18, $20, mostly $20, sometimes $25. This is a beautiful piece, but holding it, to me, I don't feel like it's worth that much. And I don't know if it's actually vintage, although I'm seeing identical ones online sell really good. I just don't want to come off or feel like it's a ripoff when somebody gets it. You know, you ever buy something and then it's like, you get it in your hands from seeing what you have online and you're excited, but when you touch it, it's a totally different feeling, like, disappointment. I don't want that carrying over to somebody else, so leaving empty-handed. But my mother-in-law is not leaving empty-handed. She got some goodies.
Not bad.
Not bad, huh?
$5.99 becomes $4.79.
Oh, and we got the OG right here. Running into it more often. What's up, my dude? What's going on?
How you doing?
Running into the peeps inside here. Find some stuff on the weekend? My mother-in-law's a fast one. Well, whoa. It's a pretty tight fit right here. Look at that tight fit. I'm gonna have to suck in my belly on that one. Ladies and gents, it is not true that resellers, content creators don't show all the bad stuff. Some people might consider this bad. Me not coming out with anything, I don't consider it bad. I think I got out. I got to get some fresh air with my amazing mother-in-law that people tell me to take it easy on. I love her, folks. Everybody's hard on everybody, but us, we are a family sticking together. So, truth be told, that is a myth that reselling content creators don't always share the bad stuff. I think this goes along with that. I'm in a tight jam. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Oh my goodness, how am I gonna get through here? I don't want to mess up their paint. Ooh, big bodies. I think I'm a big body. Allah, I know.